Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Now in today's video I want to be talking about this special kitchen tool that's called the 4-in-1 knife and scissors sharpener. Now this tool is going to make your work in the kitchen efficient. For example, if you have a blunt knife or if you have a knife that has lost its cut, then this is going to help you. Personally, I hate choosing a knife that doesn't do the job. No one loves this kind of knife. So if you're in this position, make sure you get yourself this particular one. It comes in different sizes and shapes, but the one I have right now looks like this. It has got 4 slots. The first slot is to sharpen your pair of scissors in the kitchen. Now use scissors for different kind of things in the kitchen depending on your preferences. You could have a different size of pair of scissors that you use in the kitchen. Now the other 3 slots, which are 2, 3 and 4, are used to sharpen your knife. Now make sure you hold your knife vertically into one of these slots. Let's watch this short video to see how this particular tool is used in the kitchen. I believe it's going to be helpful to you and to whoever cooks in the kitchen in your home. Short clip. Now for those who are still wondering how to use this particular tool in the kitchen, I'll give you a few steps. Just follow these and you'll be good to go. So number 1, you need to place the sharpener on a flat platform. It could be a table, but it has to be flat. Then you need to hold it with one hand, steady, non-slip. So for now, I'll only be looking at the prices on Amazon. So on Amazon, just type knife sharpener. So this is what you'll get. These are the results you will get. The particular one, oh okay, so this, you could probably use this to sharpen both your knife and your pair of scissors. So the prices range from about $11 to, let's see, $19. So this right here is $19. Let's open it up in a new tab and see the details they have right here. And we also have a demo video right here. I won't be playing with the sound because of copyright issues. So the guy is opening his right now. I think he just bought it online, so he's demonstrating on how to use it. You could go watch the full video on Amazon, and they also have a second video right below here. Let's see what it is. So knife sharpener. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to subscribe if you found value in this video. Recommend other videos you would like to see on the channel. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you.